You are highly lifted up, mighty God. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. I believe you love it too. I hope you are all doing great because I am doing wonderful here. So today, friends and family, I bring to you how I made this simple but rich chicken fried rice recipe. So let's go. So these are my ingredients. I'll be listing all in the description box, so you check it out, okay? I have my chicken here. I have deboned. My yellow rice, I'll be sharing the link up there so you know how to do your yellow rice. My soy sauce, oyster sauce. So let's get cooking. So in my preheated pan, I added some oil. So I add my onions, my ginger, and the white bits of the scallion. And then I saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So over here, I have added my carrots. That's my diced carrots. So at this point, I add my eggs. And then I'll allow it to cook on a medium to low heat so it doesn't burn. I want my eggs scrambled. So now, after the eggs are well cooked, I add my chicken. And remember, the chicken is well seasoned, so it tastes great. So over here, I am not adding any salt or spice at this point. So you can see our veggies are doing great. So I add my bell peppers. You can choose to use any color of your choice. And then my mixed veggies. I also love mixed veggies in my fried rice recipes. It makes it colorful and it makes it sweet also. Yes, but it's optional. You can choose to use any veggies of your choice. So at this point, our veggies are ready. So we are just going to add our yellow rice. It can be curried rice or it can be turmeric rice, but like I said, I'll share the link up there so you check how I made my rice. So once I add my rice to it, I stir it gently for it to incorporate into each other. And you can see how beautiful the chicken rice has appeared. Oh my goodness. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the winning team. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. So at this point, I add a little bit of my oyster sauce and my soy sauce. I don't want to change the color of my recipe, so I'll just add just a little. And then you see, we are good to go. So I want to thank my returning viewers. Oh my goodness, you guys are great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. And then lastly, I will be adding my scallions. Yeah. And once I add my scallions, I stir and then put the fire off so that the residual heat can cook the rest. So you can see I didn't add any salt, I didn't add any spice because my rice was seasoned, because I used the broth of the chicken to prepare the rice, and also my chicken was also seasoned. After tasting, it was perfect for my liking. So I believe you like this simple but very rich fried rice recipe, and I know you are gonna try it. Okay. You see how colorful, how luxurious it is, eye-catching, finger-licking, and it's sweet and kasa. So at this point we are done. So now it's time to serve my guests, and I know you are the guests. Okay, so just have a seat, let me serve you. And you can see how colorful it is. You know, food is all about arts. Once the eye sees it, it sends a signal to the mind, and then you begin to crave. So thank you for standing by with me, and I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Okay, so please kindly like, comment, and subscribe, okay, to support Tasty and Fresh. Please hit the thumbs up button and the notification button. Okay, so see you in our next video. Bye bye.